Today we're going to cook a chicken korma, and the ingredients. We start the fry now. Fry the onions first. And we'll let it brown. And then we're going to add the chicken. And then we'll let it brown a little bit as well. And then we're going to put the seasoning. Then I'll add salt. And then a pepper. Then we're gonna add the green peppers to have a color, a nice color. Then we're going to add the korma sauce. So if you can see, the sauce is a bit thicker, but if you want a little bit water in it, you can rinse the bottle with a little water and then you can pour it back in the pan. And then we're going to add a little bit soy sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. Put there. And it's cooked now, so I'm gonna get ready for the rice and then chips. And the chicken korma. Smells so yummy. And then we're going to add a scallion. Ta-da! That's the end. Bye guys.